everyone, and hello to a Boxy Charm unboxing. Oh, I am a hot mess. So today, I come home from work and I have not one, not two, but three unboxings to film, and I've yet to edit any of them. So by the time I start editing them, I'll have a week of videos. So I'm going to do my best to do that today because this week has been... it's going to be crazy. Last week was, I'm going to have problems wording in the next 3 videos. I've had problems wording in like the last 8 videos. I'm so sorry. But being an essential worker means that you're always on and you're freaking exhausted. So my hair's a mess. And I probably had these sweaters on forever. But most of it's because I'm just covering up whatever t-shirt. So I wear them for the unboxings. Sometimes I wear them to work because they're warm and fuzzy and comfortable. And right now it's really cold where I'm at. The weather decided that spring wasn't going to happen. And so it got warm. And then it was like, oh, guess what? We lied. So it's back to cold again. And since I've been running around like a chicken with my head chopped off, it doesn't really matter. But aside from that, this is my BoxyCharm. Now, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription. This box is a $25 a month box because this should be my base box. I did my unboxing of my premium box earlier. Not to say I was disappointed because I kind of was. But I have to find my phone because Boxy did this thing where it's way over here. So give me a second. They sent us a virtual insert instead of sending us the insert. And the only reason this upset me is because they sent me the digital one. And I had opened it for the premium box. And then I opened my premium box. And lo and behold, was not everything that I got. Because they stuck an insert in there. So apparently one of the items that I did get was an item that I probably shouldn't have got. And what I was supposed to get, I didn't get. Hold on one second. I remember where I found that. So, hold on while I bring up my Boxy. I know this is not what you signed up for at all, but it's kind of... it's finally here. Toys is also today, so now you know what day I'm filming it. I'm thinking about trying to do a massive edit and just dump them all, upload them. So I'm going to see if they do the same thing to my base box that they did to my premium box. So I'm going to sign in. I already had done the math on a notebook that I had beside me when I did my premium. So give me a second while I find that so that I can tell you how much they say this box is worth. Because I had all the prices down. Okay. So let's see if I can blow this up a little bit. And now we're ready. BoxyCharm is a $25 a month box. I'm sure I said that. So let's just dive on into this bad boy. I have not opened it. So and no, but I did get another makeup eraser thing. So here's the box and let's see what's in it. So I will set it over here. The first thing I pull out is Baddington eyelashes. Now, I do like wearing fake eyelashes. I am not the best at doing them, but I do have fun with them. I do have another set of Baddington, and I've been afraid to use them because these eyelashes are $31, and I wouldn't pay $31 for a pair of fake eyelashes, but I know a lot of people would. So I'm going to try them eventually. It says that, swear I'm okay. It says that this is in the style of Harlow. I think that's what that means. It says they're 3D silk lash with mini glue. I don't know if they're exactly the same as my other one, because to be fair, I've moved things around and I don't think I can even get to my other one right now because I added a second monitor, and at the moment I can't get on the other side of it. So I don't know if they're the ones I have, but there's those. The next item that I'm pulling out is by Iconic London. It says it's a illuminator. Let's see. It is a highlighted glow. It says it's worth $48. $41. Liquid shimmer can be added to your foundation, primer, moisturizer, or simply used on its own for a super highlighted glow. So I put a little drop on my hand. We're going to see how much that's a highlighted glow. Oh, it definitely is a highlight there. It actually looks like something you wouldn't really want to wear by itself. But if you like your skin to be super shimmer, like I'm spreading it out and I'm getting it to the point where it's almost completely translucent, but it does have a lot of glimmer on it. Like my hand's all glittery. Like I don't know if I can, yeah, you can see. Like it's super glittery, and so there's that. I'm sure I'll use it for something, but I don't know if I will use it in my foundation, or I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. I don't wear a whole lot of makeup, and right now I have been wearing none. So the next item I pulled out is by Lavish, and it is a 5-piece brush set, which, to be honest, is kind of pretty. It retails for $29.99. This is all for an eye thing. Like it has a fine liner, a pencil one, like it's got eye shading, tapered blending, and then this little dual one that says brow groomer. So those are neat, and I love the colors of these, like 80s style hot fluorescent colors. They're so pretty. They do say Lavish on them and what they're used for. You could pretty much use them for whatever you want to use them for, but I like brushes. Brushes are awesome. I like anything I don't have to spend extra money on. And, I mean, there's a lot of different ways you can look at it. Like, you spent $25 on a set of 5 brushes and got eyelashes and a highlighter for free. Or one of the other fantastic products in this box. So, I mean, is it worth the money? They're worth the money if you're going to use them. The next item that's in here is by Benefit, and it is the Professional Pore Primer. And I got the blue one. I know that there was 2 different ones. I don't know if I really have issues with my pores, to be fair, but maybe I do. This is worth. I can't word. The price on this is $32. It says it quickly minimizes the appearance of pores, fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. Apply this silky, lightweight balm alone, under or over makeup. So, it's a nice size. I mean, it's not huge or anything. I don't know if I'd spend $32 for something that size, unless it really worked. But, like, I don't really care. And the last item is by Zola. It's called Scream Queen. This is going to be an eyeshadow palette, which about time, because my last box from them, I got one item of makeup. And I didn't get the palette that they told me I was supposed to be in my box. I got it something else. So, I do have links in the description. I usually leave little boxies at the end of my videos to link yourself to, I don't know if that's a Scream Queen, but that's a very neutral palette. I mean, there's pinks and browns and one blue. And there's a fine number of shimmers. We'll try Remarkable Chameleon, Emphasis to the Face, and one of the ones that look more matte, Mirror Motif. And we'll just go ahead and swatch those on the back of my hand. The dark one is the middle one that I said. So, I mean, they're pigmented. They're nice. It does say that this eyeshadow palette is $28, which gave my box the grand finale. Ba-ba-ba-bum. A price of $161.99. They do guarantee it's like got a price of over $150. But for $25, you could have got the eyeshadow palette with 4 brand new other items. So, I mean, is it worth the price I paid? Yes. Would I get as much use out of it if I would have took my $25 to, let's say, McDonald's? Maybe not. But, I mean, we got all of those things. And if you like this video, you can like, comment, and subscribe. I do leave all of my links in the description if you want to try out any box that I do unbox, or you would like to check out my other unboxings. I post videos all the time. I haven't been regular lately. I usually post about 5 times a week. This week I think I haven't posted any, and last week I think I only posted one. With everything going on and the quarantines and everything, I am an essential worker, so I don't get to stay at home, so I don't get to edit them as frequently and upload them, which is why I haven't done gaming ones. But if you did like that, or you like anything that I unbox, check out the links in the description. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. I heart your face. Bye.